Lavanya from LEXIS and Company, working as an intern. Today I will be talking about drafting of a plaint. Plaint is an important aspect of civil litigation. A plaint is a legal document that initiates a civil case and outlines the nature of the claim being made by the plaintiff. The drafting of a plaint is governed under the secrecy. There are certain essentials while we are drafting the plaint. First is the heading that provides the case number, the year of filing. It should be written in a clear and concise manner with the name of the court at the top, followed by the case number and year of the filing. Second is the title of the suit, which would briefly state the nature of the claim. The title should be clear and concise and not misleading. Step 3 is the parties, which includes the name, the description, place of residence of the plaintiff and the defendants. If there are multiple plaintiffs or defendants, then they should be listed separately. The plaintiff should also provide the contact details of the defendants if available. Step 4 is the jurisdiction. The fourth step is to specify the jurisdiction where the case is being filed. The plaintiff should ensure that the court has requisite jurisdiction to hear the case based on the cause of action. Step 5 is the facts, which gives rise to the claim. It should be in a chronological order, and the plaintiff must ensure that all relevant facts are included and the pleadings are not vague or ambiguous. Step 6 is the cause of action, or the legal basis for the claim. The cause of action must be pleaded clearly and precisely. The plaintiff should provide all legal and factual grounds for the claim and should not omit any of the material facts. Step 7 is relief, or the remedy that is sought by the plaintiff. It must be consistent with the cause of action and should be specific. The plaintiff should also specify the amount of damages or compensation sought, if applicable. Step 8 is valuation, to specify the value of the subject matter of the suit for the purpose of the court case and jurisdiction. The plaintiff should ensure that the value of subject matter is correctly stated and supported with relevant documents. Step 9, which is the final step, is the verification. It must be verified by the plaintiff or his authorized representative and should state the facts mentioned and must have knowledge of the same.